of her statements hold good? Considering now Sushant unfortunately has passed away, will this even hold valid, her statement to the NCB that she was buying drugs on Sushant's order? All right, we're cutting it across to Divesh. Divesh, can you hear me?
Divesh, yeah, I can hear you, Nabila.
Divesh, go on. If you can tell us, Riya Chakravarti has told categorically to the NCB that I bought drugs for Sushant. He asked me to buy it. The payment was made by the House members. I was the one coordinating for it. Me and my brother were coordinating for it. It was Sushant who was consuming the drugs. Now, will this statement hold any value, considering Sushant Singh Rajput is unfortunately passed away? He's not there to defend or confirm this statement. How good does this statement of Riya hold in the court of law? And considering now she's been arrested, does any of her statements now give her any concession in this case?
No concession at all, Nabila, because here we are talking about a banned narcotic substance. One person cannot just say, I helped procure a banned narcotic substance under NDPS Act. It was not for my consumption, but someone else's consumption. It is equally, it is an equal crime as is consumption if one is facilitating the procurement for consumption of others as well. And that is why they are one here, the person is dealing into banned narcotic drugs. And that is why it is important to know over here that while you are saying that you did not consume the drug, but you still facilitated procurement of a banned item, which is banned in the country, which consumption has been banned by the government, banned under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act, which has been issued by the government of India. And despite that, you are helping someone do an illegal activity, indulge into an illegal activity, despite knowing that it is a banned product, it is a banned substance. So that is why it is an equal crime as is consumption of banned narcotic substance, and there is no concession for that. One is helping, Riya has helped facilitate procurement of a banned narcotic drug, and that is an equal crime as is consumption. Nabila?
Right, here we understand that you say there's no excuse to buying drugs. Now, also a lot of talk about Riya Chakravarti supplying it. Now, who was she supplying it to? Because that's a more grievous offence there, Divesh. We know that supplying drugs, pushing for narcotic substances there is a huge... it's a huge crime, and considering Riya Chakravarti here is already the prime accused in Sushant Singh Rajput's death case, which is now being probed as per the allegations of Sushant's family here. Now, considering she's also the Narcotics Bureau looking at Riya Chakravarti supplying drugs, that mounts a lot of pressure for police there and those probe agencies to book her under some grievous offences and those charges there. Is there any evidence of her supplying drugs? Now, buying drugs, we understand, has been more or less established, where she herself said that she's procured it to give it to Sushant. What about supplying it? Who was she supplying it to? A lot of talk by the ED also came about on transportation of drugs. If you can give us some clarity on Riya Chakravarti being involved in transportation and supply of narcotic substances.
Yeah, this angle was being probed by the Narcotics Control Bureau, but we will get clarity on this only when the Narcotics Control Bureau officials provide information what she is revealed and or what has come to light while they were investigating Riya Chakravarti. But as of now, we haven't received any confirmation regarding Riya supplying drugs herself or Riya peddling drugs as under the NDPS Act. But once we have confirmation from the Narcotics Control Bureau officials, we could give some more light on it, shed some more light on it. But as of now, it is yet to be confirmed by the NCB officials whether she was supplying it. Remember, supplying is equivalent to peddling. And if she is indulged into supplying drugs, then she will be charged with some very stringent sections of narcotics.
Undoubtedly. Divesh, stay with us. Let's quickly cut across to Mustafa Sheikh joining us. Mustafa, do you know anything about Riya Chakravarti supplying drugs? We hear now that she's been arrested for harboring banned substances, for harboring those people who have supplied to her and for harboring illegal substances, somehow trying to keep it under covers and procuring these substances to give it to whoever. Whether she wanted to give it to Sushant or whoever else is a different question altogether, but she was indeed purchasing it. Now, the money was being paid by the house members, housemates of Sushant, but she and her brother Shovik were procuring it. Any word on whether Rhea was supplying it as well? There was a lot of talk from NCB sources that Rhea was transporting and supplying narcotic substances. Any substantial information on that to establish the same?
Well, only Rhea Chakrabarty's statement given to NCB in the last 3 days can throw some light on it, because we were saying since day first of this drug case that NDPS Act gives the NCB a freedom that whatever is the statement given by accused can be presented as evidence in the court. So yes, if Rhea Chakrabarty has said that in her statement, then this could be one of the points in the remand copy, but no for sure. And the circumstantial evidences available in this case doesn't suggest so. The name Rhea Chakrabarty props up only once or twice in the statements of accused, where they are saying that yes, Shovik Chakrabarty and Rhea Chakrabarty had given instruction to Dipesh Sawant to procure the drugs which was purchased. Dipesh was only asked to procure the drugs because he was working for Sushant. So this is the only thing we know, and then there are WhatsApp chats regarding drugs which have come forward. But there is no blood test happening to or a drug test happening to prove it. There is nothing else to show that something like this has happened. But yes, if the NCB investigate further and then the matter comes out to be true, we'll have to wait at least for a few hours till the time she is officially arrested.
Do stay with
She's
us.
placed under arrest. She's taken for medical only then.
Tweeting out, Mustafa Sheikh, do stay with us. Sushant Singh's sister